Hey, what are you eating? I say you like it. I say you like it, and you're a water dog now. Yay. Oh, she likes the soft, squishy stuff, huh? Kind of deep right here. For coming back, you're gonna have to swim a little. Oh, she wants to run in it. Yeah, yay! Splash, splash! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad she loves it. But who wouldn't on a hot day like this? Hundreds, I guess, in the Black Hills. Look at her go! Come on! Loving it. Really loving it. She's gonna need a bath. Well, she's getting a bath. Oh, pretty rocks in here too. Nobody around. Everybody's at the other little spot. Pansy everywhere. Sika! Sika de Lulu! Sika, come on!